Hello everyone, this is Preksha Jain, your certified relationship and intimacy coach, and today I'm going to dive into a topic that's often wrapped around in misconceptions. What does it mean if a woman remains single for too long? We are going to look at this topic with the perspective of empowerment and self-awareness, breaking down the stereotypes and celebrating individual experiences. But before we dive in, I would like to draw your attention towards one thing. I know I have said it already many a time, but here we are again. Many of you watched the entire video, but without subscribing. So I would request you to subscribe to my channel because it will not only help my channel grow, but also allow YouTube to push my content to the people who may need it the most. So do the needful and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's dive in. So what does it mean if a woman is single for too long? Let's understand it point by point. Point number one, personal growth and ambitions. If a woman is single, she is most probably focusing on her career, her ambitions, personal growth. She is busy in rediscovering, redefining and rewriting herself. Now this time period can be the time for significant self-growth and self-discovery. Now let's look at the point number two, seeking quality in relationships. Now, many women are single not because they are not finding anyone, but because they are waiting for quality in relationships that they themselves are willing to offer. They want a relationship which resonates with their expectations and values and belief systems. They don't want to settle for someone who they may like on the surface, but may not gel with on a deeper level. This discernment in choosing a life partner speaks about their understanding of who they are, their relationship standards, and whom they see themselves with. Point number three, comfort in being independent. These women find the sense of fulfillment in their own company and have a strong sense of self-sufficiency. Now let's look at the point number four, healing and learning from the past. As we all know, we all have been through tough relationships and we are now working on ourselves, waiting for the right person whom we can choose and who can choose us. For some, this time is about healing from the past relationships. It's a conscious decision that they make to heal from the past relationships, learn from their previous mistakes and experiences, and approach the future with a healthier and a happier, healed mindset. And there is absolutely nothing wrong in being single for that. Point number five, enjoying freedom. Now the sense of freedom that comes with remaining single because you don't have to conform to your partner's approval or your partner's opinions into choosing a spontaneous adventure, travel or experience. That freedom that comes with being single allows for all of it. Point number six, prioritizing self and lifestyle. Living life on one's own terms is indeed liberating. It means prioritizing personal lifestyle, choices, hobbies, and experience and interests without compromising for a partner. Now here, the woman does not have to seek her partner's approval or validation. She simply just has to be whoever she wants to be. Point number seven, self-reliance and confidence. Being single for a significant amount of time builds a high level of self-reliance and confidence. These women are typically adept at managing their lifestyle, managing their lives, making decisions independently, and feeling secure in their choices. Point number eight, other priorities. Finally, some women prioritize other things like their parents, career, education, artistic pursuits, travel, they prefer all these things to a romantic relationship. In conclusion, being single for a long time can mean many things, but it often reflects a woman's strength, self-awareness, and confidence in her life choices and experiences. It's a state to be respected and celebrated, not criticized or questioned. Remember, every individual's journey is unique. Let's embrace and respect the diverse paths women choose to take. Thank you for watching and please share and hit the like button if you like it.